but I'm
But
choosing.
this is
Okay.
same time is continuous.
Yeah, but no problem because see this camera is upstairs.
But maximum thing you play.
Acha, you mean the speaker is here?
Yes.
Speaker is here. You sure?
Yes, no problem. But very low bandwidth. You play it very low bandwidth. One frame then another frame is low bandwidth and compress it. Only the maximum minimum bandwidth.
Yes, but what I'm saying is, no, I can't hear. Acha, you mean if you keep the camera down, then it will not record the colors and all.
Yes.
So minimum bandwidth is
Yeah.
required. Okay, I don't know. What I'm saying is, voice. I don't know whether it will come in this your voice. I think you should keep it closer.
Yes.
Keep it here or somewhere, no? Okay, no problem. Okay, now I want to show you. I don't know. I want another chair. If there is another chair, no. Yeah, thanks.
Submit
Sumit, yes, what time is it? It's not coming, no problem. Because, so I can take till 12:30
Okay.
or 1 o'clock. Let us see. 10:30 we started. No, let us see whatever. Because some guests are also coming to my house. So my housemaid is at home. She's cleaning.
Yes.
So if the guest, I don't know what time they're coming. They come from Bandra, some doctors. Husband, wife, and 3 children. They've got a wedding in Vasai. So they are from Vasai actually. So I don't know. After that they will come home. Just for a short visit after
Yes.
cleaning everything.
Oh.
So I don't know what time they'll come. Sami doesn't want to come at all.
No.
Okay, I will just show you this pronunciation dictionary. You will have to buy it from somewhere, Oxford bookstore or something.
नहीं क्लास में हूँ नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं मेट्रो में आ रहा हूँ 2:30 बजे पहुँचूँगा मेट्रो में 4 बजे आ रहा इसमें जा रहा था क्या किसमें मैंने कॉल करता हूँ निकल के यहाँ से
The shirt is good, very good, but doesn't go with this trouser. Jeans is better, I think. It's shape properly. Maybe you need a little hair. And when you're going for the interview, you don't put the tikka and all. You don't put this when you're going for the interview. Understood, na? Because this is more like village people. This is very good, you're Brahmin and all that, I know, but it is not. For example, if it is a foreigner, then they do not understand.
And 1.5 years before 1.5 years,
Yes.
my interview in Oberoi Hotel.
Oberoi Hotel, yeah.
Mr. Alex O'Brien, Senior Manager, ESPN Star Sports.
Okay.
And somebody who tell me you don't speak that.
No, this is very good. I like traditional, I like the Brahmin, I like the puja, I like everything. But for professional things, some people they crack, they don't like this. Just for the job, nothing else. Because they think that this is more village, traditional, you have to be more smart, more modern. Understood, na? Just to give that impression, So I want to tell you that this dictionary, it is only for pronunciation. It is only for pronunciation. So how to pronounce something like, for example, agriculture. British pronunciation, American pronunciation. Why is this W is there? Culture, I understood. Culture. It's aquaculture, yeah, correct. It is not agriculture, it's aquaculture, see? Aquaculture, that is, I think, something to do with water. All these symbols, how to use these symbols, it's given here. Okay, see, because this is phonetics, for pronunciation, they're using different symbols. For A, they're using different. So those symbols like dot, those symbols, how to use those symbols, they're
Yes.
It is not very clear. Okay, this is the big pronunciation dictionary. And there is a smaller pronunciation dictionary, which is maybe simpler. No. It is simpler for you. Huh? English pronunciation from Cambridge. You can just take it down and maybe you get it in Oxford. Maybe, I don't know where you get it. Or you can, I think I got it from, I don't know where it was. This must not be sold in India. Oh my god. So that means I got it from Dubai. But you can order it or something, you know, you can see from where it is. Because this is a very good pronunciation dictionary, short and small, and also I think because the list is given here. How to use it in CV. See what they're saying is the closest. Bin, tin, din. You know, this K should be very strong.
But my children is learning this type.
And then they're learning this, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the BBC English, and this is all these consonants. And then ch, you know, chain, ch.
Chain.
How this ch is written here in phonetics, written like this. Then J, B, C, J, ch is written like this. Then F, B is written like this only. Think, th is written like this. This is written like this, S is written like this, and Z is written like this. Sheep. So you can buy any pronunciation dictionary, and I will Xerox this for you and give it to you.
Okay.
And this pronunciation dictionary, I also got a CD with it, but now I don't have it. I gave it to a friend. So in that CD, you can hear the pronunciation.
Yes.
You can hear the British and the American pronunciation, but I don't know where you will get this. You can just try in any bookstore pronunciation dictionary.
Okay.
Means see, meaning is not given.
Yes.
Worded meaning is not given. It is only written how to pronounce.
Yes.
If you want, you can buy this. Yeah. So instead of doing technical stuff, I thought we'll just read a little bit. Just wanted to show you this. No problem. Now, yeah. So would you like to read this book? Just take this book. Don't touch up this book, or you want this book. Which you like, this book better or that book better? This is weekends, how to go away from Bombay for just a short weekend, 1 day, 2 days, you know. And this is a nice encyclopedia, whatever you want. This is better.
So small, but step is already.
See, the Mauryan Empire was later than Mauryan that was being read in the Let's take the Mauryan Empire, M-A-U. No. Mauryan Empire, no. M-A-U. Mauryan. That's Indian? Yeah, Indian. Yeah. So this Mauryan Empire will be good for you because related to Brahmins and all.
Yes.
And ancient India. Yeah. So could you read that?
Yes. In c. 322 BC, a young nobleman and great warrior called a Chandragupta Maurya overthrew the foreign governors.
What is the meaning of foreign?
Videsi.
Okay. Foreign governors.
Governors installed in Western India by the Alexander.
Not by
Alexander the Great. Chandragupta and his successor then formed the Maurya Empire.
Successors.
मतलब कि उनके उत्तराधिकारी.
Correct.
Then formed the Maurya Empire.
उत्तराधिकारी
नहीं
उनके बाद
हाँ,
जैसे आपके बेटे हैं उनके बेटे हैं.
उत्तराधिकारी
मतलब उनके ऊपर जो है ना.
नहीं.
उनका डिसेंडेंट है.
उत्तराधिकारी मतलब जैसे मेरा उत्तराधिकारी कौन है? मेरा बेटा है.
अच्छा फिर सही है.
मतलब जो भी आपका है
डिसेंडेंट
उसका मालिक कौन बनेगा? मेरे बाद कौन बनेगा?
अच्छा.
उत्तराधिकारी बोलते हैं. Formed the Maurya Empire by uniting almost.
Word should be clear. Now it's good that you're speaking loudly. आप loudly बोल रहे हो बहुत अच्छा है. But each word should be clear. हाँ, uniting वो last.
Uniting almost the whole of India,
Correct.
Afghanistan and what is now Pakistan.
Correct.
as one great nation for the first time.
Means what Chandragupta did? इसका मतलब क्या है?
मैं कहाँ से यहाँ से हाँ
चंद्रगुप्त और उसके उत्तराधिकारी ने क्या किया?
चंद्रगुप्त और उसके उत्तराधिकारी ने मौर्य साम्राज्य की स्थापना की एंड प्लानिंग ऑलमोस्ट होल मतलब पूरा लगभग भारत और अफगानिस्तान उसके साथ पाकिस्तान तक वन ग्रेट नेशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट टाइम मतलब इतना बड़ा देश पहली बार बनाया
एक बड़ा नेशन
द एम्पायर रीच्ड इट्स हायर अंडर हाइट अंडर इट्स ग्रेटेस्ट रूलर चंद्रगुप्ता ग्रैंडसन
चंद्रगुप्ता's grandson आप ना वो लास्ट लेटर आप प्रोनाउंस नहीं कर रहे हैं चंद्रगुप्ता जी आप ना ये आप नहीं देख रहे लास्ट लेटर
Chandragupta's grandson Ashoka, who introduced Buddhism to India.
Okay, means what?
Means जो चंद्रगुप्त का ग्रैंडसन है अशोका, उन्होंने हिंदुस्तान में ये बुद्धिज्म की स्थापना की या इंट्रोड्यूस किया प्रचार किया.
ठीक सही है लेकिन ये नहीं बताया आपने.
सॉरी
The empire
reaches
height
under the greatest ruler.
means what?
इनके राज्य में चंद्रगुप्त के राज्य में ये अपने बिल्कुल ऊंचाइयों पर था.
हाँ वो राज्य ऊंचाई पर किसने पहुंचाया? अशोका ने.
चंद्रगुप्त के राज्य को ऊंचाइयों पर अशोका ने पहुंचाया.
हाँ मतलब वो राज्य सबसे ऊंचा तब था जब अशोका उसको रूल कर रहा था. ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. अशोका या दैट्स फिनिश.
Ashoka
yes
in 261 BC.
What is meaning of BC?
Before Christian era.
Before Christ.
Ashoka
Okay,
conquered
261 BC is how many years back?
2013 plus 261.
How many years back? 2000?
2013 plus 261.
Means how much?
अच्छा जब तो 14 हो गया तो 15 प्लस 74 74 प्लस 200 यानी 2274 years.
In 261 BC?
BC. Ashoka conquered the southern state of Kalinga. Thousands of people
Thousands. You're missing the last letter. आप नहीं देख रहे हैं.
Thousands of people were killed during the battle, and this slaughter so shocked Ashoka that it turned him against violence forever.
अच्छा, okay ना. Tell me what is the meaning?
आज से 261 BC पूर्व अशोका ने साउथर्न स्टेट ऑफ कलिंगा में साउथर्न स्टेट ऑफ कलिंगा युद्ध किया, आक्रमण किया और उसको कैप्चर किया. थाउजेंड ऑफ जिसमें हजारों लोग मारे गए. एंड जिसको देख के अशोका शॉक हो गए. और उन्होंने अपना जो वो था उसको वायलेंस की तरफ, शांति की तरफ ले गए. ही कन्वर्टेड टू बुद्धिज्म और वो अपने आप को बदल के बुद्धिज्म